Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be exploring the Wavefront service and Proxy dashboard. Tanzu Observability is a SaaS offering, which means that the Tanzu team is fully responsible for maintaining your instance. Many times, you want to have insights into how well the platform is performing. Let's take a look at the information available to you to monitor your instance. Tanzu Observability provides an out-of-the-box dashboard which contains heuristics on the overall health of your instance. It is called the Wavefront Service and Proxy Data Dashboard, and it's available on all Wavefront instances. At its core, the platform is performing two essential functions: ingest the data coming from your applications and infrastructure, and then output the data to your users and alerts to provide you with real-time observability. The top charts we see here are regarding your overall ingest of your metrics, histograms, and spans. These tell you about the rate at which you are sending your data. From a monitoring perspective, any spikes or drops for extended periods of time would mean an investigation may be required. The next two charts are related to your scan rate, or the rate at which the dashboards, charts, and alerts are pulling the data. The first one is the overall rate, and the next one is broken down by users. Next section relates to how well the proxies are performing. Proxies are our preferred method of sending data. These charts break down the rate at which proxies are receiving the data and if there are any built-up queues. From a monitoring perspective, as long as the queues keep draining, there should be no concern. We would be concerned if queues kept rising. For high-level monitoring, that's it. But we do have more granular information below that provides you with more insights into your environment. Please take a look and reach out to support if you have more questions.